Hello and welcome to the Intercourt Armoured Car Regiment channel. Today I'll be covering the events of August the 22nd until August the 27th of 1944. This is another period of rest and recuperation following the collapse of the Flea's Pocket. So without not much further ado, August the 22nd. A, C and D squadrons were in reserve at Le Saint-André. B Squadron carried out patrols on the division's front towards La Guille. Lieutenant Howder from D Squadron was ordered to recce the route from Gais to Rugles. Along their route, they were to recce the Forêt domaniale de Saint-Évroult, a forest west of La Guille, as well as recce of La Guille. Progress through the forest was slow due to a number of felled trees blocking the road. This was suspected to be due to the actions of the French resistance. A small bridge over the river Hatton was found to be mined, but the river was fordable. In order to avoid the mines killing any Allied forces that might follow them up, the crews proceeded to detonate the mines by tugging on the mines from a safe distance using lengths of communication wire. The detonation of the mines caused the small bridge to collapse into the stream. Shortly outside La Guille, Lieutenant Howder's car was racing along at 60 miles per hour when it raced past a Taggart tank at the crossroads. The crew of the tank, which were unbuttoned, could only look on in awe at the sight of the speeding dingo. The bridge at La Guille was found to be blown, and with a Taggart tank waking from its slumber on their tail and enemy resistance within the town picking up, Lieutenant Howder was guided out of La Guille on another route by a resistance fighter, M. Fernand Lepenier, who rode on the back of the dingo scout car, giving directions. For the next few days, M. Fernand Lepenier was kept under the protection of the regiment to prevent any reprisals for his assistance until the full liberation of La Guille. August the 23rd. A and D Squadron were in reserve at Le Saint-André, B Squadron were in reserve at Échafaud. C Squadron moved out at first light to take over from B Squadron, carrying out patrols on the division's front out towards Rugles and La Fêtel-Fenel. Progress was slow, with two troops being held up by mined roads. Contact with the enemy was made northeast of La Fêtel-Fenel. August the 24th and 25th. The whole regiment rested in reserve, with A and D squadrons remaining at Le Saint-André and B and C squadrons at Échafaud. August the 26th. The whole regiment set off at first light at 0500 hours, in column, with the intention of reaching Champagnard near the River Seine. However, the regiment was badly held up by traffic blocks, passing through La Guille and Rugles before pulling off the road and harbouring between Les Bourgs de Breteuil and Conches-en-Auge. August the 27th. The whole regiment set off again at first light, in column, with the intention being the same as the previous day, the village of Champagnard, near the River Seine. The regiment had to hold for 2 hours before joining the main road to Conches-en-Auge. The Padre took advantage of this halt and an impromptu service was held at the side of the road. The afternoon drive was pleasant, although to reach 30 miles per hour was a rare occurrence. Upon reaching Champagnard, the regiment harboured and went into reserve. References are on screen, and I hope you can join me on August the 28th in the next video in the War Diary series for the Intercourt, which will be covering the crossing of the River Seine. Till next time, cheerio.